Good day, sir. I have read in your advertisement in our local newspaper that your office is looking for a data encoder and technician. I would like to apply for the said position. My name is Roderick M. Reyes. I graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science under the TESDA accredited ladderized education program from Lipa City Public College. I spent 200 hours of, on the job training in the Social Security System located in AMR Business Center, Pilahan, Sabang, Lipa City, Batangas. And telephone number 043 756 7507, then 757-1365. Fax number 043 756 1953 with the branch head Miss Victoria 81 as encoder for contributing amounts using MS Excel and also receiving regular R3 diskettes with a contained company contribution amount and took in calls from members inquiring about their contribution amounts, loans, and other FSS services. Then I spent another 200 hours wrote on internship at Riyadh's Computer Center, located at Unit 19J to second floor, Big Ben Complex, Lipa City, Batangas. Telephone number 043 756 1478. Took responsibility of being computer technician doing PC hardware assembly, troubleshooting, and software installation. My duties also include networking. Then I am available for interview at your most convenient time. Attached herewith is a copy of my resume with a list of reference and contact numbers. I look forward to hearing from your good office. Thank you very much.